How to add Google Meet to Outlook. So first is of course open up your Outlook. Now once you're here, you just simply need to click on new mail at the top left. Then hover to this icon. So it's basically the app section. So you want to click on this and this will pop up on the top right and just simply click on add apps right here. So click on add apps and it will redirect you right here on the app section where you will need to find the Google Meet option. So I'm just going to search it right here on the search bar. So Google Meet. And now as you can see, Google Meet is right here. So you just simply need to click on that. Then just simply click on add right there. And now as you can see, we have now added the Google Meet add-in. So let's try it. So I'm just going to click on try it right here. Then I'm just going to go back to Outlook. So let's go back to new mail. Now, once you're here, just simply click on the app section again, then click on Google Meet add-in, then click on add a meeting. Then this will pop up. Just simply click on allow, then click on sign in. Now, once you have signed in, it will automatically add the joining info right here on your mail. And that is how you basically add or integrate Google Meet to Outlook.